To get this issue inside Unity after you have imported a character creator for model inside the Unity fix, I will show you how to fix this. I have exported this model using CC4 with these settings. I just have exported using Unity to preset, target, and mesh in motion. I have checked that this convert skinned expression to morphs option, and I have checked this and just this option here, and after that I have exported my model. When I import this model inside the Unity and build material, this material be pink. So to fix that, you just need to click fix. You need to find your material that is pink and fix the diffusion profile. This will fix this issue. I hope I helped you. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe in the channel. This will help a lot the channel, and I see you in the next video.